Okay, hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yanka, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist. And today is workout 3 of our intro to Pilates, all right? We're going to pray as always. Father, we thank you for this day. This is the day that you have made, so we will rejoice and be glad in it. Father, I thank you for your faithfulness and your love. And I thank you for keeping your daughters and your Psalm 91 protection in their households. And I thank you for making them whole. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. All right, ladies, we're going to start on our backs with the 100. Okay, I forgot my mat, so I'm on the towel today. All right, so go ahead. Let's breathe first. Inhale. And exhale. Get that air beyond your chest. We're going to do that again. Inhale. Judah, watch out. Caleb, watch out. And exhale. Let's do a couple more breaths. Inhale. Beyond your chest. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And as you exhale, try to empty that belly all the way out. One more time. Let's inhale. And exhale. My kids are behind the camera looking at the pool. There's something, I guess a bug or something they see. I don't know. All right, ladies. From here, I want you to arch that back. And then go ahead and tuck that pelvis. Let's do that again. Arch. And tuck. And go ahead and arch. As you arch, you should be able to slide a hand under there. Tuck. As you tuck, you're not able to slide a hand. Arch. And tuck. Let's do one more. Go ahead and arch. And tuck. And neutral spine. So no arching, no tucking. You are there, okay? Now from here, we're going to lift those knees up above those hips, all right? Bring those knees together, belly button pulling in. All right, pull that belly button in towards your spine. We're going to curl up and get that blood flowing, okay? So when you curl up, chin goes up to, towards the chest. And we lift those shoulder blades up and you're shortening the space between your upper and your lower abdominal area, okay? So here we go. Inhale, curl up, chin towards that chest, roll those shoulder blades down your back. You're reaching forward. Okay, we're going to inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And look at your belly button. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep those hands strong. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hug those knees in and release. Good job. All right, we're going to go into the second exercise, okay? We're going to get into that roll up. So go ahead and put those feet down. Extend those arms, those legs out. Like I said, I forgot my mat. So it's me in a concrete day. Okay. So go ahead. Make sure that spine is in neutral. Belly button's pulling in. Roll those shoulder blades on your back. They're retracted away from your ears. Now, oh, actually, you can start here. I'm sorry, keep those legs bent. Okay. Because this is the intro one. Okay. All right. We're going to inhale. Curl up the ready position. Look at your belly button. And as you exhale, remember we can do this. Okay. And as you do that, extend those legs out. Good. Inhale the ready position. Exhale. Let's take it back down. Do that again. Inhale. And exhale. Let's roll it out. And exhale. Press that spine behind you as you come down. So we want to stack those vertebrae one on top of the other. That's inhale. Exhale, ready position. Bring it on up. And exhale. Take it on up. They saw a bug. And take it on down. Good, ladies, doing good. We're halfway through. We have 4 more. Go ahead and take it up. Ready position. Belly button, pull it in. Go ahead and take it on up. Press that spine behind you. Still making a C shape, okay? Bring it back up. Slide. And down. Good. Let's take it on up. Make sure you're breathing, not holding that breath. And you're emptying those lungs out. And we're going to restack in the spine and then press that spine back as you take it on down. Remember, you can squeeze your glutes to control. Okay. Inhale. And let's exhale. Take it all the way up. This actually feels harder to me. And let's bring it up and take it back. Let's do 2 more. I think you have Hannah's towel, Libby. Bringing it up. Yes, Hannah. She is an honest mistake. Go ahead and switch. Hannah, you can have this when I'm done, okay? She go.
This was on my hair.
It's okay. Let's do, I think, 1 more, ladies. Let's take it in an up ready position and exhale. Good. Inhale up and take it on down. Good. Nice job. You should have felt that right in this area here. And you're working on those deep transverse abs as well. All right, ladies. Let's go into our... Okay. What was the third? We may skip one, and I may do one out of order, but that's okay. We're still going to do this. All right. So from here, what's the problem?
The moth is trying to fly out.
Oh, it's a moth.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, let's do the leg circles. That's the third exercise. All right, extend one leg up towards the ceiling or the sky if you're outside like me. And I want you to rotate out at that hip joint, okay? We're going to inhale. Take it across the midline of the body without rocking through those hips. And exhale, bring it around and up. Take it across the midline and around and up. Do that again, across and around and up without rocking through the hips. Across and around and up. Let's do a few more. Take it across, rotating at the hip and pull it up. Across the midline, around and up. Remember, you can make shorter circles if you need to. Around and pull it up. Across, around, and 1 more. Nice job. All right, we're going to go and do it on the opposite way. I'm going to back up just a little bit. Okay, same thing here. We're going to take it to the outside this time, okay? So belly button in, spine stays in neutral. Here we go. Take it out, around, and up. Do it again. Out, around, and up. Connect that movement with the core. Around and up. Do it again, and out. Around and up. Give me 2 more. Out, around, and pull it up. 1 more, and out, around, and up. Nice job. Bend that knee. Take it on down. Okay, other side. Same thing. Give me that 90 degrees. Extend that leg up. Point that toe. Let's rotate at the hip joint right here, hip flexor. All right. Inhale. And take it around and pull it up. Around and pull it up. On the work, I want you to exhale around. And exhale. Do it again. Around. And blow it out. Do it again. And around. And blow it out. Give me just 2 more. And blow it out. 1 more. And around. Down. And pull it up. Okay. Other side. Same thing. Take it out. Around. And exhale. Do it again. Out. Around. And exhale. That's it. And out. Around and exhale, core strong, belly button pulling to that spine and exhale, blow it out. We have 3 more. Out, around and up. Do it again. Keep that hip and up. Give me 1 more. Out, around and up. Nice job. All right. Pull that knee in and I want you to go ahead and rock yourselves on up. All right, ladies. Exercise number 4. Okay. You've done the first 3, these ones that we just finished in the first video. And now you're going to do the second 3, and then we're going to add 1 more at the end, okay? So we're going to do this roll back, roll down, roll, okay? Your hands go here. So let's separate the glute muscles, the fleshy part of your butt. And hands out with your elbows out, all right? You're going to tuck that chin out, and as we roll back, all right? You're going to press that spine back into a C shape, okay? And you're not going to rock on the neck, okay? You can go to the top of the shoulders, and that's it, okay? All right, here we go. Go ahead and balance. Get that balance. All right, and you're balancing on your sit bones. All right, belly button is in. Inhale and exhale. Roll it back and up and balance. Good. Inhale, exhale. C shape and balance. Good. Do it again. Inhale, exhale, chin to chest, and up and balance. Good. Inhale and exhale. Press that spine back and up. We're halfway. You're going to give me 3 more. Inhale and exhale. Press that spine back and bring it up. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. We have 2 more. Inhale and exhale. And 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Nice job, balance, and release that. Very good job, ladies. All right, we're going to move to the single leg stretch. They are so funny. All this over. You should see them just lined up around the pool looking at a moth. I love kids. They just simple things. All right, we're going to take it back to the mat. Okay. Now I'm going to get into that single leg stretch. Okay. All right, let's reposition that spine. Make sure that spine is in neutral. Belly button's pulling in. Okay, go ahead and lift those knees up. Okay, and I want you to curl up. So chin towards the chest, shoulder blades up off the mat as much as you can. And let's go here. Extend one leg out. Okay, elbows out, belly button pulling in. Here we go. Inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale, switch. Roll the shoulder blades down the back. Inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale, switch. Do it again. And inhale, exhale, switch legs. Inhale, chin to chest, switch legs. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, switch legs. Inhale, exhale, switch. 1 more each side. Inhale, exhale, switch legs. Last one. Inhale, exhale, switch legs. And I want you to hug those knees in and release the upper body. Good. Now from here, we're going to go right into the double leg stretch, okay? And we'll only do 6 of those. All right, same position, but this time both legs are shooting out and the arms are shooting up, right next to those ears, around, and everything draws in at the same time. All right, ladies. Go ahead and let's curl up, okay? And we're going to inhale and let's exhale, extend out, okay? Now, as you do this, I want you to rotate out at the hip. Same thing, pull those, right here, you're like zipping yourself from your toes all the way up to here, okay? And we're gonna hold that and work those inner thighs as you draw those legs in, okay? We can start right here, okay? All right, here we go. Inhale, let's exhale, draw it in. Inhale, exhale, draw it in. Chin to chest. Inhale, exhale, draw it in. Inhale, exhale, draw it in. Good. Inhale, exhale, draw it in.
All right, guys.
Inhale, exhale, draw it in. Let's do 1 more. Inhale, exhale, draw it in, and release down. Nice job. Very good. All right, we're going to go to that roll, all right? Or did we do that? I think we did. All right. Everybody was all right? You okay? Everybody's okay? Okay. All right, ladies, we have 1 more. Okay? So I want you to sit up nice and tall. Okay? And we're going to work this spine. So your feet are flexed and they're like slightly wider than hip distance. Okay? So separate those hips. You're going to draw the belly button in. Okay? Now, when you flex the foot, that keeps those legs active, all right? I want you to lift up out of your hip flexors, okay? Roll the shoulder blades down your back. You can see your quad. If you could see, like, my quad is flexed, so you can see the quad muscle popping up because my legs are working, okay? Belly button pulled in, flex those feet. We're going to extend those arms out, roll the shoulder blades down your back. Now, from here, I'm going to inhale. As you exhale, you're going to roll through that spine. So chin to chest, press that spine behind you. Reach those arms out as far as you can go. Okay? And then we're going to reverse that from the bottom of the spine, bring it all the way back up, stacking that spine, roll those shoulder blades down. You're nice and tall. We're going to do that again. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest, and press that spine behind you. So you're making a C with that spine, okay? Shoulders down. And inhale, exhale. Let's bring it right back up. Good. And you go as far back as what's comfortable for you. Belly button drawing in. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Chin to chest. Roll down through that spine. Pressing that spine behind you. Trying to touch the back wall with that spine. Keep those shoulders off of those ears, okay? Inhale. Exhale. Let's restack the spine one at a time. Good. Let's do 2 more, ladies. Here we are. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest or towards that chest, rolling through that spine, pressing that spine behind you. And inhale. And exhale, let's take it back up. Feels so good. It should feel great to you. Let's do 2 more. I know I said that before, but yeah, let's do an extra one, okay? Inhale. And exhale, roll, roll, roll. Pressing that spine behind you, belly button pulling in. You actually should feel your middle section contracted. Inhale. Exhale, take it back up. Restack that spine 1 vertebrae at a time, okay? This is the last one. Make it good, all right? Quality of movement. Inhale. And exhale, chin to chest. Then go ahead and reach those arms in front. Press that spine behind. Keep those feet flexed. Belly button drawn into that spine. Inhale here. And exhale, let's roll it back up. 1 vertebrae at a time. Good. Those arms you should feel them working. All right, now release that. Ladies, nice job. So we'll be back and we're just going to keep adding on, all right, till you get like the full 10 exercises. I don't know if I'm going to do the next 3 and then do the whole thing, or we're going to do one at each one at the end of each workout, and then so I'm not sure, but we're going to do it. We're going to keep doing it because Pilates is such a great workout system. And I think everybody should do it, especially, I said, really everybody. But if you had kids or anything, this is a wonderful exercise. And this is like lengthening and strengthening, and it's good muscle balance. So I encourage everybody to do it. But as always, thank you for watching. If you find this or any of my videos valuable, please do me a favor and share it. Like it. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Anyway, God bless you. I love you. And I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye.